is Chrissy. Welcome. Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And this is your first time here. My name is Chrissy. Hey, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 3 really easy, quick tips and tricks to comfortably wear a crop top when you have a chubby tummy. I'm here to tell you that crop tops are not only for the women that have super flat tummies and small waists, they're also for the thick girls, for the chubby girls, for the big girls, and for the plus size girls too. And today I'm gonna teach you how to wear them, okay? So if you guys are interested in seeing that, keep watching. But first, if you're not subscribed here, girl, hit that subscribe button because you're missing out on a whole lot of fun. Also, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Chrissy Styles so you're staying in the loop. And let's jump right into this video. So tip number 1 is actually, this is going to be an added-on tip, so it might be like 4. Is to find the crop top that fits you, okay? So this crop top that I have on today is one of my favorite crop tops. It's from Pretty Little Thing. I personally love this crop top for myself because it's fitted and it's actually a longer kind of crop top, so it doesn't show my entire stomach, but it does give me the option to have like a little peek and show as much as I want to. Also here on the sides it has a drawstring, so if I want to pull it up and I want to show a little bit more stomach one day or I want to show less, then I have the option to adjust it. I'll leave it down in the description box for you guys, but it's basically finding the crop top that you're comfortable with. It could be a shorter one, it could be a longer one, it doesn't matter. Just find what you're comfortable with. Along with that tip, you gotta find the confidence to do this, you guys. It's gonna take a lot of confidence. And you guys know I talk about that a lot, but one of the biggest things that I found that helps me a lot when I go outside and I'm showing a little bit of skin, or you know, you wanna do something a little risque, is just do it. Girl, just do it. It is 2020 and we are wearing whatever we want in 2020. At least I am, okay? I don't want to be inside of my box anymore. I don't want any boundaries or limits into what I feel like putting on my body. So we're wearing what we want this year and we're doing it confidently, and we're just gonna push and force ourselves to do it, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into tip number 2. Tip number 2 in feeling comfortable in your crop top is, girl, get you a pair of high-waisted jeans or high-waisted pants, okay? Stop playing. High-waisted jeans and high-waisted pants are a thick girl's dream. A curvy girl, thick girl, whatever you are, a girl, a female, period, they're your friend. So the reason why you would want to pair your crop top with a pair of high-waisted jeans, like I have one here, these jeans are from Fashion Nova. If you want them, I'll link them down below. It's gonna kind of hide or conceal or smooth out or just, you know, whatever, a portion of maybe your stomach that you don't want out, or also the love handles, okay? So you just want to get yourself a pair of high-waisted jeans, and it gives you the option to have as much or as little stomach as you want out. As you can see with this crop top, I kind of have my stomach just peeking out a little bit, and that's good for me, you know what I mean? And the high-waisted jeans, you know, they conceal enough to just have me comfortable with a little peekaboo, okay? This is for beginners. Okay, this is where you start. If you're nervous with showing your stomach, this is for you, because it's hard to just walk out there full throttle like here I am. So a pair of high-waisted jeans or high-waisted pants are going to be great for you. Another reason why high-waisted jeans or high-waisted pants are going to be great is for the back. So I always get really nervous in the back when wearing crop tops because, one, I have back fat. Not that I'm ashamed of my back fat, but I don't always want it out, okay? So I always love a high-waisted pair of pants that are going to be high-waisted on my behind, because this crop top is long enough, it covers my back as well. So this is just an option if you just want to go out with crop top and jeans on and no extra jacket, no anything like that. That's a great option for you. So let's move on to option number 3. Alright, you guys, so tip number 3 would be to just add a piece of outerwear or add an oversized shirt or something to your outfit if that's going to make you feel more comfortable. So here I just have an oversized flannel. We all know the trick here, okay? I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie it around my waist, okay? And in doing this, it kind of makes me feel safe sometimes, especially when I'm out and just don't want to have to worry or bother, you know, with having a crop top on, if I'm going to feel uncomfortable and pulling it down and stuff like that. So just adding this crop So just adding this flannel to your waist, it's going to give you a little bit of security. It also adds kind of a cute flair to your outfit, and it'll do a trick if you want to cover up your stomach or any love handles or any spillage or anything like that. So this is actually really perfect. Another trick that I love with the flannels is sometimes I'll bring it up a little higher in the back just to cover up, you know, my back rolls, my back fat, or whatever. And it's really easy. Another thing I like to do, if I don't necessarily want it tied around my waist, I will just put it on like a jacket, like a cute little overshirt. Throw on some Nikes or something, accessorize with it, throw on some Air Force, whatever, and then you have a cute little grungy, cute little casual, really cute vibe. So you guys, another tip when buying crop tops, and one thing that I definitely do is I never really buy a crop top in my actual size. I typically like to go up in size just so I have a little bit of room to play with it. You know how I please. Sometimes I like my crop tops to fit a little oversized just so I can play with it if I want to move it down a little bit in the back and bring it up in the front, or just so I have a peekaboo of stomach showing, and I have that option when I order up in size. Another thing is I think wearing a crop top is just so cute sometimes when you have an outfit and you feel like you just need a little break in color, you just need to add a little something. Sometimes a little stomach, you know, it'd be cute. Give it a little skin, give it a little something, okay? 2020, we're gonna be confident in our bodies, okay? Whatever it's gonna take, whatever tip and trick it's gonna take you to get out of your comfort zone and to wear something that you've been wanting to wear for a really long time, whatever the trend is, this is your time to do it, and I'm here to help. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed for more videos like this. Also, leave me a comment down below. Let's talk in the comments. You guys know I always talk back. Make sure you head on over to my Instagram and follow me at Chrissy B Styles. Actually, I'm on Twitter now as well, so go on Twitter, follow me at Chrissy B Styles. I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.